Welcome to Shiloh National Military Park. Today we're celebrating the 160th anniversary of Camp Nelson with this short video. You may ask, what does the Battle of Shiloh have to do with Camp Nelson? Well, today we'll talk about the camp's namesake, General William Bull Nelson. Born in Kentucky, General William Bull Nelson did not have an Army background. Instead, he had joined the United States Navy in 1840. After the Civil War broke out, Nelson was detached from the naval service and given command of a division in Major General Don Carlos Buell's Army of the Ohio. In March 1862, Buell's army was ordered to move quickly to Savannah, Tennessee, and link up with U.S. Grant. By midday on April 5th, Nelson arrived in the small town of Savannah on the eastern bank of the Tennessee River. Next morning, April 6, 1862, at around 5 a.m., the Confederate assault began on Grant's army camps at Pittsburgh Landing, located 5 miles south of Savannah and on the western bank of the Tennessee River. Grant ordered Nelson to find a local guide and move his division south along the eastern bank of the river, and await transportation once positioned opposite Pittsburgh Landing. Following a 3.5-hour forced march, Nelson's lead elements appeared across from Pittsburgh Landing. Nelson and his staff boarded the first available steamer. Nelson and his men were appalled by the sight of thousands of panic-stricken Union troops cowering under a bluff at the landing. When the gangplanks were run out, the hulking Nelson yelled out,
"Gentlemen, draw your sabers and trample these bastards into the mud! Charge!"